Hello and welcome to another lesson, the assignment operators in JavaScript. In JavaScript, the equal sign is an assignment operator, not an equal to operator. And in JavaScript, the way JavaScript handle calculation is different from algebra. In algebra, if you look at the expression below, x is equal to x plus 5, it does not make any sense. But let's take a look in JavaScript, whether that code will work. So in JavaScript, this I'm picking up from where we left the last time. So in JavaScript, if we do x is equal to 6, now we are going to say x is equal to x plus 6 plus 8, adding another number. Now let's check it. Console.log. What is the value of our x? Take a look, 14. So what JavaScript is doing here is that JavaScript is taking the initial value you've given to this variable, which is 6, and is adding this new number to it. But in algebra, if you have something like this, it will not work, because in algebra, it does not make any sense. This is not a valid expression. Now, in JavaScript, however, it makes perfect sense. It assigns the value of x plus 5 to x, which means JavaScript picks the initial value. It picks this value, and then it's assigned it to this x, and then it's now added it to the new number that we have here. It calculates the value of x plus 5, put the result into x, then the value of x is incremented by 5. So in our own case, it picks the value of x, which is 6, then added it to 8, and incremented it, and then added it to 8, which now gave us 14 in our output, which means it's a valid expression and it makes sense to JavaScript, because JavaScript interpreted it as a valid expression. The equal to operator is written as double equals. So in JavaScript, when you do something like this, what we are basically doing is we are assigning a value to this variable. But if you want to check for equal, use double equals to sign like this, and look at it. Immediately I change from a single equal sign to double equal sign. I'm saying reference error. X is not divine. That is because it's not an equal result. So if I change this 6 and do something like this, you see x is not divine, which means that if I want to check for equality, in JavaScript, I use a double equal. If 6 equals to 6, that's going to be evaluated as true. But when it comes to assigning variable, you don't need double equals to, you just need a single equals to assign variable to your code, to your variable. So this is the end of this lesson. You've seen how we can use equal sign, double equal sign, and a single equal sign in order to attach value to our variable. I'll see you in the next